Hello, old man here today. I wanted to jump on here right quick and just tell you the project I'm going to be working on for this week. The project I've got going on this week is me. I'm going to stop the rat race, just kick back, relax, enjoy some of this Myrtle Beach weather, ride a little bit on the bike for Bike Week, get some videos for you guys on the different bikes and the things going on down here. So just hang with me for about a week, and for my partner in crime, hang in there, buddy. I'll be back in about a week and we'll jump on all the projects together again. And just remember, like and subscribe. Thank you.